Goedemorgen. Dumelang. Good morning to all of you. Thank you very much for this invitation, and let me state that all protocol has been observed with regards to the important and maybe not so important people. You know, it doesn't matter how important you are, we are all replaceable, which brings me to Chem City Eco Industrial Park. There's only so much land. We cannot make more land. In this case, industrial land. We cannot move the land or relocate land. So it's therefore up to us to develop the land in a responsible manner. I must congratulate Sasol and Chem City with the launch of this remarkable project. It's obvious that you have left no stone unturned in your design and development process of the park, balancing industrial development whilst keeping in mind the effect on our land. Thank you for choosing Sasolburg as a host for a Chem City Eco Industrial Park. Sorry. Be assured of our support of the local chamber, and I'm sure, as Brutus just mentioned, the relationships between business and the local authorities, you'll have their support as well. I think it's only a matter of time before the rest of South Africa and the rest of the world realize the value of land in Metsimaholo. We are a municipality with a number of hidden treasures, of which our industrial and tourism opportunities are but only two of them. Dear colleagues, let me remind you of the ANC Youth League's long walk to economical freedom, which took place only last week. Although controversial, do we need to take note of some of their concerns? They want jobs. I have a question for the youth though. We see the Chinese and other foreigners coming into our country. They cannot speak our language, but they make a success of their business. Why can't you? Our area offers unlimited job opportunities. The problem is converting those opportunities into real job and sustainable jobs. I find it sad, and the Executive Mayor referred to that to our visit in China. I find it sad I've been criticized for promoting Chinese investment in the area. In 2010, I was privileged enough to join a delegation from Metsimaholo to visit Wuxi in China. Municipalities from 23 countries all over the world were invited, of which only 4 were offered a sister city relationship with them. And guess what? Metsimaholo is one of them. It shows that China sees the potential of our area. And the question is, why can't our South African companies do the same? Why do we export our local raw materials to Gauteng? Imagine the savings in fuel, road maintenance, toll gates, and time if the final product is developed and produced here in the Chem City Eco Industrial Park. Imagine the job opportunities for local residents. Imagine the economic growth for our area. Our municipality contributes already more than 30% of the GDP of the Free State. With the aid of this park, let us push it up to 50%. Let's make Sasolburg the next Midrand, Midvaal, Rosebank, or even Sandton. We have the land, we have the skills, we have the people, we have the support of our local authorities. Let's grab this opportunity and put Metsimaholo on the world map. Well, thank you. Please feel free to have a chat with me afterwards if you've got specific questions. Thank you.